Okay, I'm gonna talk to Mr. Brooks. real quick.
Oh, that's fine. Do you want, I'll step off.
Okay,
Let me know when you're done.
sounds good.
Drive me nuts. Can you point the microphone to your elbow? Thank you.
My apologies.
No, you had to turn it away from your
Yes.
microphone. That's fine. All set?
Yes.
State of Wisconsin versus Darrell Brooks, case number 21 CF 4596 and 21 CF 5020 appearances.
Matthew Torbenson appears for the state. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon.
Attorney Robert Hampton and Attorney Will Rakestraw here with Mr. Brooks. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
All right. Good afternoon, everybody. We are here for a status. Where do we stand?
Your Honor, after speaking with Mr. Brooks, as of right now, he wishes to set things for a trial.
All right.
So that's for a trial date and a final pretrial date. Also speaking with Mr. Brooks, he'd rather for the final pretrial, if he could do it via Zoom. He's not coming back forth. He'd ask if we could do it that way.
That's perfectly fine with us.
Your Honor, I'll let you know, we did set final pretrial and jury trial dates in Judge Spice.
All right.
Want to do the same day thing or separate days? Up to you.
What date did you set there?
Final pretrial of June 5th at 9 by Zoom, and then jury trial July 10th.
All right.
I cannot do the 10th for trial.
Okay, well, that answers that.
Okay.
I can do June 5th or 12th here for trial.
I know I cannot do, no, I'm sorry, I'm out from the 7th until the 20th.
Okay. Since you're doing it, Mr. Torbenson?
Yes.
Okay, I can put you on put it on the 26th. That's a CPOW week, but since you're not on the usual charging cycle of DVs and CPOW and things like that.
26th of,
June.
I'm not available that week.
Do we want to go into May or?
I can say with my Madison calendar, May's bad.
Okay,
Available like July 17th.
I am not.
But neither am I.
Never mind.
Okay, well, we have worked our way into August. And I have to.
Oh,
You're gone the 7th of June through the 20th, Mr. Rakestraw? All right, well, if there's. Yeah, nothing else is gonna work, I don't think. Because we've got a Zoom week, the week of July 17th. So we can't do a trial that week. No, we asked for the 26th, then that
Oh.
didn't work.
Sorry.
That didn't work for somebody, right? June 26th
That's
does not work.
not a good one for me.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Let me talk to the parties in chambers.
Yeah.
Hey. Huh? Pretty good. How about yours?
Somehow better than the one before. Amount of dreams, really.
I don't know whose. Booked my vacation this week, so I'm in a much better. Florida. Clearwater. I was almost not gonna be able to go, so. That had me in a. Oh, shoot. I'm alive.
All right. Okay, we are back on the record. I had the opportunity to talk to the parties in chambers. We did a little bit of a deeper dive into calendars and what it was kind of that was maybe holding people back from accepting dates, and if there was a way that we could wiggle some things around. And I think we did come up with a date that works. We are going to set this trial for Monday, June 26th for trial. We'll work backwards and we'll get a final pretrial date, and we will arrange for you to do that. Is your client still at Dodge, or is he in a different
It's like
location?
Dodge right now.
Dodge. Okay.
Yes.
I will ask you to advise us if that changes.
Okay.
I know sometimes Dodge is the reception center and then you get moved somewhere else. If that happens, we need to know, because we will have to arrange with the prison to have the appearance done via Zoom, and they need some lead time on that. It's not like we can just call them and say, hi, is he there? So we have to arrange that ahead of time. So we will set it up for Dodge for that final pretrial date, and we will do that. Does this appear that it will be your standard final pretrial, or is there a reason that you believe that it will be lengthier?
That's a two-part question, because to be honest, I'm not sure anything about Darrell Brooks' standard. But as far as the case itself, this doesn't seem like anything out of the ordinary.
Judge, I do anticipate filing another acts motion in this case, and I acknowledge that the other acts in this case would be prejudicial. And because of that, the state would not be seeking to use the other acts evidence in the cases stated, case in chief. Thank you. It's been a long day. But if a defense were raised, such as accident or something wrong with the vehicle or something of that nature, that I believe would make that evidence relevant, I would want to argue it to rebut that defense in this particular case. I do think that would be a unique issue, and I do anticipate briefing that issue for the court.
Okay, well, it sounds like that's going to be something that maybe briefs would be filed. It probably wouldn't be ripe for any sort of discussion pre-trial, because it would all be very hypothetical at that point. But if it came up in the course of the trial, it would be ready to go and probably discussed at a lengthier break or sidebar or something like that. So why don't we set it half an hour for the final pretrial via Zoom on whatever date we select? And we should be good.
How about May 24th in the afternoon?
We do the 23rd in the afternoon.
Yep, yes, we can.
Yeah, it's fine.
Oh, yes.
Does that
Thank
work for
you.
you?
Yes, thank you.
2:00 work?
Fine.
All right, the next court dates will be May 23rd at 2:00 for final pretrial, with jury trial dates of June 26th at 8:30, and that's as to both cases.
Thank you.
All right, and the final pretrial will be by Zoom. We'll arrange for that. And then obviously the jury trial will be in person.
You're gonna definitely have to contact me, because they're not gonna let me set up a date today.
Yeah, that's
That far out.
what
So
Vice Court said, the same thing too.
Yeah.
Like a
they-
month out.
Dodge just won't,
Yeah, that's
So-
Vice said maybe like a month out, do like,
month out.
yeah,
Contact me so I can contact the prison to get them on Zoom,
we'll do, yeah.
because I will forget.
Yeah, we have a plea.
30 sentencing.
Oh, yeah. I remember last night.
Golden did check in, but I don't know where. I'm really sorry. Oh, like, oh.
Phoebe Davis in parentheses crying. You should.
Well, the problem with that is my Saturday plans is worse than Friday, and my Saturday plans are have to change.
I like this family, but you did.
I gotta cancel it. I do first.